There's still 1 minute, so let's. So, hello friends, I'm Sakshi Mishra from the My Secret Bookshelf team. I'm in the book review crew, and today I'm reviewing my favorite nature stories by Ruskin Bond. So, Ruskin Bond is an author, is a famous children's author from the British descent, and he have also received Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, and Sahitya Academy Award. He is famous for children's book, and is very much prominent among every age group. Today I am reviewing his book, My Favorite Nature Stories by Ruskin Bond. My Nature Stories, it is basically his encounter with the natural world. In this book, he describes his encounters with the natural world and describes his why he has such an overwhelming connection and love for nature. From the chorus of cicadas to the whistling of the trees and rustling of the leaves, he mentions everything with such detail that it wins your heart in that very instant. So that's why Ruskin Bond books are. So here goes my review. Ruskin Bond books directly transcends you into the environment he describes. His descriptions are so profound, his descriptions are so enigmatic and vivid in nature that your imagination will directly take you with him to the roads that he is taking, the roads he is wandering around, to the environment he is describing. So that is the quality of his work, and that is what I love. Ruskin Bond's books are great for children because it excites imagination. For every kid, Ruskin Bond books are must. But that doesn't make it specifically for kids, but it is for every age group. If you are a beginner, so Ruskin Bond book is great to begin with because it has such a free-flowing narration that it pulls you inside it. It pulls you into that environment. Ruskin Bonds are my personal favorite. His favorite works, I guess you have read some of his favorite works like The Blue Umbrella. The Blue Umbrella is a very famous story. Our trees still grow in Dehra, and many more. There are so many books by Ruskin Bond. So he is an author for every age group, and his quality of transcending a reader into that environment is what is my favorite, and I know that it is world's favorite quality too of his work. And what makes it more unique and profound is that he always uses simple language. There is no use of big words, no descriptions that will complicate the narration. His narration is like a brook, like a river. It flows so freely. Language is simple, so it helps a reader to relate to his work. The subject that he chooses are all from the real world, from the world that is going around us, that you can relate to it so much. And that is the quality of his work that I think everyone must read Ruskin Bond books and have a big collection for whoever comes. And like many people ask me which book we should start reading with, so Ruskin Bond is the one you can begin with, definitely. As his subjects are from the world around us, you can relate to it very much, and you yourself would start noticing these little things after reading his books. So have Have any of you read any Ruskin Bond book? Maybe I have been missing a point in my review, so just 1 second. Yes, so that's all. His works and his descriptions are so profound, vivid, that you can actually be with him down the road, down the farms and everything. So that's all. Do visit the My Secret Bookshelf website. There are some awesome book discounts, and that too with author signed copies. So if you are the one who love books, and that too with special author signed copies, then do visit My Secret Bookshelf. There are also discounts, so there are awesome discounts, so please visit. There's a wide collection of books with many different genres. So thank you everyone, and I'll be back someday with another review. Thank you so much. Do read Ruskin Bond books. They are just awesome. It's an experience. His nature books. Oh, you can definitely read My Favorite Nature Stories. It's a collection of short stories, his experience in Mussoorie and the cottage that he lived in once. And you can also read The Blue Umbrella. It's a very short story, but it's very effective in its simplicity and style of narration. So do read Ruskin Bond book. It's an experience altogether. Thank you so much friends for joining. I had a great experience. Thank you.